What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see by the title and thumbnail of the video, we are going to be adding another slight simple mod to the Honda Civic. As you guys can see, we have the LED turn signals. Now I got these ones, which were a little bit more than all the normal ones you see on Amazon for like 30 bucks. These ones were about 55, I want to say, something like that. Because these are the switchbacks, which means you will have daytime running lights and turn signals, but apparently they are also sequential lights, which means, you know, they basically move along. So it looks pretty sick. I'm pretty excited to see it. Hopefully they work very well. I'm just excited to get rid of that orange side marker, so that'll be pretty cool. Let's check it out. Alrighty, boys, so this is what we are replacing. We are replacing this orange marker with a black one and sequential lights. Should be pretty easy to do. All we need to do right here, remove this screw and a screw right above here, and we'll be able to get started. Alrighty, guys, so this is what we got here. This is a stock one. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect it, and we're gonna need to keep this little attachment right here, and we're gonna need that to connect to the new one. I already went ahead and also removed the side marker light, which we will be tapping into this for the daytime running lights. So yeah, we'll do that. All right, guys, now that we went ahead and disconnected the little plug from the stock one, we are gonna go ahead and remove, sorry, not remove. We are gonna go ahead and connect these two together. Then we're gonna connect the wire for the switchbacks together, and we're gonna run it through this hole right here so we can grab it and connect it to the turn signals. So let's go ahead and do that. Alrighty, guys, so we got the wire ran. We're gonna go ahead and pull it. We're gonna go ahead and push this in. We're gonna cut it and connect it right here to the turn signal. Got my trusty scissors right here, my wire cutting scissors, whatever you want to call them. So let's do it. Alrighty, boys, so we got both lights in. We got the turn signals on. I do not know why the switchbacks aren't working, so gotta figure that out. Alrighty, guys. Alright, I'm dirty as hell. My hands, well, actually I just washed them. But guys, as you can see, we successfully swapped out the side markers. Now, the only thing is that the emergency lights on, or the switchbacks, aren't working. So that's funky. I'm sure I did something wrong, something involving wiring. I'm not good with wiring up cars. That's why I always have Kenny do it. So I'm gonna have him come out and check out what's going on with that. He's also going to be working on the bike. But yeah, let me show you guys. If you guys can see, I hate that noise. As you guys can see, we got the emergency lights on, but the daytime running lights are still on. So that's pretty frustrating. But let me shut off the headlights and show you just the daytime running lights. And let's see how that is. Obviously it's gonna look a lot better at night, guys, when it's dark. And yeah, the garage isn't that dark, so makes sense. But let me show you guys. Alrighty, guys, what do you think? Honestly, I think that looks pretty cool. Let's check out this side. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. They're actually, even right here in the sun, or in the garage, they already look very bright, so I can only imagine how they're gonna be at night. Alright, guys, I don't know about you, but I think that they look super sick. Honestly, I think it makes a huge difference. Even when they're off and it's just black, I think it's way better than having orange right there on the side of your car. But let me give you guys one look on how they look now, and you guys can decide if you want to go ahead and get them, and hopefully we can fix the switchbacks. sequential lights and switchback lights. Hopefully we can go ahead and fix both of those. I'm gonna have Kenny come by tomorrow and check out the wiring, see if I messed up anywhere, and see if he's able to fix it. But I followed the instructions, so I don't know what's going on, guys. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you're new, go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications. And yeah, share this video with your friends, anybody else that has a Honda Civic, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, guys, final look. Oh, hell yeah, guys. What do you guys think? Even at an angle, that thing looks beast. Close up, yup, that looks awesome. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. Let me know what you guys think. If it's worth the money. Would you guys replace it? Do you guys like the orange? I don't, but yeah, let me know.